Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is alternative or non-conventional sources of energy. Now what is exactly alternative source of energy? So basically those sources of energy which are not based on burning of fossil fuel. That is, they can be reused again and again. For example, you can consider the solar energy. Solar energy, they can be used again and again. So such type of energies are called alternative source of energy or non-conventional source of energy. Now basically in India, non-conventional sources of energy consist of those energy that are infinite, natural and restorable. Like for example, wind energy. Wind, it blows from one place to another place. So it is natural, it is infinite and it can be reused again and again. Let's talk about one more example, that is the tidal energy. That is also a renewable source of energy or non-conventional source of energy. Solar energy and wind energy we already discussed. So students, let's move on to your first topic, that is hydroelectric energy. Now, what exactly do you mean by hydroelectric energy? So basically it is the energy derived from the power of water, mostly because of its motion. So the energy derived from water is called as the hydroelectricity or hydroelectric energy. This is basically generated by the flow of water over the dams. Now exactly if you'll observe here, can you see a river water? Yes. Now if you'll observe this part, this is nothing but a dam. And then if we'll talk, this is a water turbine. If you'll observe properly, the water flows from the river to the turbine. And then there's a shaft and last there's an electric generator. Now let's see how this exactly works. Due to the flow of water, the turbine rotates, and as the turbine rotates, it rotates the shaft, and because of the motion of the shaft, the electric generator starts producing electricity. So exactly if we'll consider, the kinetic energy of water is getting converted into electrical energy. So this is another concept that can be called as transformation of energy from one form to another form. So this is hydroelectric energy. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is wind energy. So wind energy is another renewable source of energy. Wind energy is used in a wind generator to produce electricity by making use of a windmill.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.